Welcome back, maths makers. Today we're solving missing numbers with inverse operations. It's like a magic undo button for maths. Let's start with an easy one. 27 plus what equals 63? We know the whole is 63 and one part is 27. So we use the inverse, subtraction. So the missing number is 36. Nice and easy. You can also check by counting on. Start at 27 and hop to 63. That takes 36 jumps. Great job. Here's the rule. If addition has a missing number, use subtraction. If subtraction has a missing number, use addition. Inverse operations help us go backwards. Now try a trickier one. What minus 242 equals 319? We know the answer and one part, so we use the inverse, addition. We got 561 by adding the hundreds, tens, and ones. 300 plus 200 equals 500, 10 plus 40 equals 50, and 9 plus 2 equals 11. Then 500 plus 50 plus 11 equals 561. That's why it feels so easy. We can split the numbers into parts and build the answer step by step. His works in real life too. If you know what is left and what was taken away, you can work out the starting amount. Fantastic work, maths makers! You used inverse operations to unlock missing numbers. Give this video a like and subscribe for more fun maths.